Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? I hope you are all well and ready to our lesson today. Today our lesson Surah Al-Buruj, verses 12 to 16. Our lesson steps. First, we have Holy Quran and Dua. Second, you will recite the verses applying the rules of Tanween. Third, you will explain the general meaning from the verses. Plenary. At the end of the lesson, our activities time. Our dua today. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء. My Lord, make me keep up prayer and from my offspring, our Lord, and accept my prayer. We said about the dua, you can say the dua anytime you want, no specific time. You can ask Allah about what you want. First, we have some questions. Who can answer the first question? Who's your prophet? Second question. Who's your God? Third question. What is your holy book? What is your religion? Your target today to recite the verses of Surah Al-Buruj from 12 to 16. We have revision about the verses from last lesson from 8 to 11. Who can remember the verses? Who can tell me what's the general meaning of the verses? What will happen to the disbelievers? What will happen to the believer? What Allah will give them?
الفوز الكبير ذلك الفوز الكبير إن بطش ربك لشديد إن بطش ربك لشديد إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد وهو الغفور الودود وهو الغفور الودود ذو العرش المجيد ذو العرش المجيد فعال لما يريد فعال لما يريد هل أتاك حديث الجنود
After we listen to the verses, let's explain each verse.
Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series lesson 45A, in which we will learn the first rule of Noon Sakina or Tanween, and that is to express the sound. What is Noon Sakina? Noon with a sukun, that is Noon Sakina. And tanween is related to Noon Sakina because you can write ban as ba Noon Sakina, ban or bin or bun. It is as if Noon Sakina is sitting inside the second fatha or second kasra or second dhamma, an, in, un. That's why the rules for both are same, Noon Sakina or tanween, where here, because we are concerned as to what comes after n sound. So whether it is Noon Sakina or tanween, the sound, ending sound is n, and what comes after is what is concerning us. For example, if Noon Sakina is followed by a throat letter like min hu, okay, in that case you read it normally, naturally, okay, or it can be in between two words like in huwa, ha is a throat letter, in huwa, normally, or mauludun huwa, dun, it's like Noon Sakina, or that means the same sound, is the same sound, ending sound, mauludun huwa, so you read normally. So the first rule is if Noon Sakina is followed by Hamza ha, Ain ha or Ghain ha, you recite Noon Sakina normally, express the Noon sound. Same thing is for Tanween. Why is that? A possible reason is Noon Sakina sound is here, an, tongue tip touching the top, an, and Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha, root letters and throat letters are far away, so there is no conflict. So you read it normally. So let us take the practice. Noon Sakina followed by Hamza ha, Ain ha, Ghain ha. Repeat after me. Wayan awna, wayan awna, anharu, anharu, an'amta, an'amta. And it can be between two words like min hasanatin, min hasanatin, min ghayri, min ghayri, min khayrin, min khayrin. Okay, let's take tanween followed by Hamza ha, Ain ha and Ghain ha. Adhabun alimun, adhabun alimun. أسحر هذا، أسحر هذا. سميع عليم، سميع عليم. عليم حكيم، عليم حكيم. رب غفور، رب غفور. عليم خبير، عليم خبير. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.
Let's read the verses in Arabic and English and explain what the meaning of the verses of today. إن بطش ربك لشديد إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد وهو الغفور الودود. Who can tell me what the meaning of these verses of Surah Al-Buruj? How do you feel when you know that Allah, glory be to Him, is of the... What's the general meaning of the verses? The disbelievers burned the believers and kept looking without mercy because they believed in Allah alone. So Allah promised them that they would be punished on the day of judgment as a result of their actions. Plenary, recite the verses of Surah Al-Buruj from 12 to 16. Search about rule of Tanween from Surah Al-Buruj. Do you remember the rules of Tajweed? Thank you, my students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.